feeling me, then come on, let's ride. We need a bigger bus to get our friends on. More windows and more aisles. Party in the front, party in the back. We'll go swaying side to side down the highway of surrender. All wheels go round and round. We'll get all the bumpers.
There is hole here.
Are you ready? This one is gold. So we can stick this. Smells so nice, right?
Really?
It's perfect.
Too hot, too hot.
Too hot, too hot. Let's start.
Put the tube in hot water before use.
Oh,
They say that.
I think we can use the cup. Okay, I got it. I got it. You got it. You got it.
Can I mirror bare face?
Oh.
Let's try. So where did you put instruction?
Just hold.
Oh my god.
No, baby, don't hold. You hold this one, so I need to glue it there.
It says baking glue, no?
Hopefully it works.
Not confident, but
Me too. It does look sticky. What do you think?
yeah, not at all.
Believe. Trust IKEA.
I don't think we can build somewhere else and then move. No, babe, that's the... No,
What? That's correct?
it's this one. No, that's the roof.
Oh.
Take me by seaside, baddies on the go. You're 3 to 5 from noon. I don't wanna know ya. I got scared.
Good job.
No.
But how you gonna
No,
put
it's not.
I said
not
it
good
and you
job.
know actually I saw it and then I just observed. What are you doing?
It's gonna be alright. I mean, doesn't matter.
Like
So ugly.
it's alright, you can do better. Our teachers say like that,
Yeah.
right? You can do better, good boy. Well done, good
Look at
boy.
this.
Well done, good boy. And then
There we
mine is so ugly. Is this pigeon poo? Wow, how detailed. Really nice Vader.
Yeah,
Come,
this one is nice.
you didn't see mine, right?
No, just the beginning. No, I messed up now.
No, you're gonna be happy if you look at mine.
Oh my god.
Take me by seaside, baddies on the go. You're 3 to 5 from noon. I don't wanna know ya. I got scared, and I got something for ya. Not my heart.
Nu vad är det jag säger? Jag fattar ingenting. Får jag läsa? Ja, jättegärna. Jag fattar inte vad jag ska göra.
It's nice.
Av vilka konsekvenser och hur sorts när han öppnar upp så ställer ja, det är det faktiskt.
I've been cooped up in this Mini Cooper, singing to myself, going through drive-through after drive-through, looking for some help. I'll miss my family and my girl and my friends there by my side. If you feel the beat and you're feeling me, then come on, let's ride. We need a big